Namaste, welcome to Zillion Center of Excellence. My name is Gajanan, CEO and founder of Zillion Group of Companies. If you are ready to unlock the secrets of quality excellence, then I have something new for you. Very few quick questions for all of us. Question number 1. Is there a quantitative definition of quality? We often hear text definitions of quality. I would like to bring your attention now to the quantitative definition of quality. Question number 2. What are the focus areas while implementing quality first mentality? We often hear this terminology many times during our working hours. Question number 3. How to calculate cost of poor quality using Excel and link that outcome to continual improvement program of your organization. Question number 4. What is the start point and end point of any zero defect road map? It may be a manufacturing environment or service environment. And question number 5. What is Z predict, Z prevent, Z detect, Z rework, Z manage in zero defect roadmap or zero defect quality program? And last question, what are the SMART objectives of quality function? If you are curious or eager to learn more on service and product quality, then join our Zero Defect Quality Certification program and elevate your career to next or new heights. This particular program is designed for both freshers and working professionals in the manufacturing and service industry. This program offers a perfect blend, you can say, of theory and actions. So learn online with 5 hours of live sessions and 6 hours of on-demand video content on August 29th and 31st of 2024. Get hands-on experience with 30% theory and 70% actionable strategies. Plus, enjoy 30 days of online support and earn your certificate, which is nationally recognized. And all this is for just at rupees 2,300 plus GST. So friends, don't miss out the opportunity or chance to boost your career. Enroll now and master the art of zero defect quality. Now I would like to bring your attention to the seat availability. Seats are very much limited. As per the data what I received today, out of 50, 20 confirmations are already received. So seat lefts are 30. So see you on 29th of August evening 7 p.m. Thank you. Have a nice day.